First and foremost, thank you for enrolling into my course. I promise I'll do my best to make sure you get the most out of your investment. Now, a bit about me. My name is Ahmed Anis. I have been a passionate digital artist, originally coming from traditional media, and have made a switch to digital without feeling the need to go back. I have taken interest in pursuing a game development in Unity 3D and 3D modeling in Blender. Taking courses online, the trip was pretty darn lengthy, but it paid off over time. I was able to make amazing 3D models that I proudly uploaded to Sketchfab to show off friends and family, some of which you can see over there. Also, I was able to venture a bit into Fiverr and managed to make a few sales that earned me great reviews. They are not much as of the recording of this video. That is because I wasn't too persistent, since my main goal wasn't for money. It was something I did out of passion and something I loved. A vital key point I learned from great freelancers I admire, whom are now financially independent, successful, and leading much superior lifestyle, is to delete the notion of money from your head and make doing something online out of being something you love. Financial goals will always come in eventually, and I could tell from these first milestones, which happened to occur during the dire period of my life during which I was close to giving up my passion. It was a very important lesson to stay persistent no matter what. Anyway, let's not digress. As I kept harnessing more knowledge during my ever-learning journey and started to get more talented, I wanted to find creative means of teaching what I learned to people, with engaging content being the emphasis. While there are many great commercial editing apps that existed, sadly due to major economic circumstances, it was rather important for me to find ones that are either within reason cost-wise, or hopefully one that is free. Blender 3D was my main app of creating 3D models and animated scenes. What I discovered to my delight, it was a very powerful video editor. And since Blender 3D is open source, it meant the video sequence editor component is absolutely free. There are no advanced or premium functionalities that will nag you to pay later. I've seen it being in use to create quite a lot of content in several platforms already. For example, the tutorial in GD Quest do use Blender VSE. The entirety of this course was composed solely using Blender VSE as the video editor of my choice, in conjunction with OBS for screencasting, which is an open source tool. My previous draw in ETA and Blender Part 1 in Skillshare is another product using this amazing software. And I strongly feel this will be a valuable tool for content creators and teachers that will love to have, especially for those who are starting out and don't want to pay commercial license just to get started. Best of all, due to its open source nature, there are overwhelming numbers of communities that are contributing to the development of this amazing software. The application is receiving frequent updates. In fact, as of the recording of this video, the new major version upcoming Blender 2.8, known as Blender EV, is expected to be due around October 2018. The latest version as of this recording is 2.79. This new upgrade has a huge load of new functionalities, including a radically revamped UI, which a lot of beta testers already fell in love with, as the classic Blender's UI wasn't exactly too user-friendly, at least for newcomers anyway. But fear not, all these will be covered and simplified in this course. The whole curriculum is designed to be beginner and user-friendly, so I got your back covered. Sincere wishes, this course will make your content creation journey much easier. See you in the next lecture.